And this one is done. Again, I'm gonna using this foil. You can do however you want the patterns of the foil. I'm gonna just lay it on the angle like this. Give it really a good press down. Make sure that there's no bubble, because sometimes if it bubble is not going to transfer, because a bubble between your transfer foil gels and your transfer's image. So make sure you give it a good like rub, and then do check it first. If it that one is, I might miss the spot of the foil bubble right there. Looking good. Perfect. Good. Transfer everything. I love that how it just randomly, it doesn't looks like a perfect. Again, we're gonna using the golden touch, or maybe this time we can using a different one. You can use, do you have a red one? Maybe it's a gold, it might pop up, huh? This one might blending it. So I'm gonna use a gold though. But you can use gold, silver, however you want. But I'm gonna go ahead and use a gold one because it's gonna looks really cute with this looks with the colors of this foil. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some Golden Touch gel painting. I love it. It's just really opaque, and the pigment of a gel painting is just everything. And especially if you're doing a lot of veinings, a lot of line like this, it's great to have this Golden Touch. And then you can make your veinings a little bit thicker, thinner, however you want, okay? It's great for a lot of people love the design like this and don't have to really sit and paint all that, you know, patterns. All right, give it a quick 30-second cure, flash cure. And then we're going to map top coat on it before we're doing a 40 gel. All right, cure. And then we're going to go into the solids colors. If you have pure white, you can use pure white. If you have solids, you can definitely do solids. So I'm go ahead and like kind of pick 3 portions of the solids colors and then just roll into like 3 little petal. But hey, if you can do any flowers, I share with you, you can do so many different flowers. It doesn't have to be just so 1. And then 2. And then 3. Maybe we'll do 2 more so you can see the comparison of what like design you like. 1 more. That is super cute, super easy, simple. And if you have a clients have a shorter nails, you can do just 3 petals. You don't have to do is 2 extra one. So using the 3D Dual brush, press it down. And then press it down. Doesn't matter. The beads you roll is not really like perfect round. Is okay because the 3D Dual brush will do all the work for you. Press down and let go. And again, press down and let go. Press on the right, the left. And then repeat it. But just you don't have to like manipulating too much. You don't have to press it so aggressive. Just press it really gentle and then let it go. You know what? I think I skip how and tie the matte top coat. Did you realize that?
That's just fine.
But then I can coat it later. Just in case that if you're doing it like what I did, and then like a busy in the salon special and holiday, you forgot, it's not going to be the end of the world. Just make sure you coat it. This part already coat with the matte. We just want to make sure we coat all of the other end. I mean other side. Okay. You can make your petals round, pointy, however you would like. I might like to give it a little bit of like character there. And then do this one. I'm just so excited and I could go right into the 4D gel. But if just in case you are, did it happen like this one? We're gonna just coat it later. Press down, but you see me that did the first one that I did. All right, so this one is up to you, however you want. Red again, Crystal. What color you want to see?
Green, since you already did red.
Oh, okay. Let's put some green on. Super cute.
Pop right out.
Good idea. I have this green on this bag, but you can get other green. Can I have the other green on my Ultimate Crystal Kits? This one had the bigger green in my mix bag because I've been using a lot of green, smaller green out of it already. So I have my Ultimate Perfect Combination Kit. It's had everything I need. I've been playing with a lot with this. It's okay, I don't need the lid though. Thank you. I took the lids off, but look at that, how it's had 20 different colors. So I'm just need like a smaller one right there. I love this. It's kits had everything I need. Cool. I'm gonna go ahead and flash key it first before I'm coating the rest of them.